Hi guys, I'm here today with a very interesting solution for more USB power in your car. Up to 90 watts of extra USB power in the front and also especially in the back. That's absolutely awesome. Comes with this clip with 4 ports, 2 times USB-C, 2 times USB-A. And here in the front we have also one USB-A, one USB-C, and the USB-C are PD up to 30 watts each, and the USB-A are quick charge as well. So in total we have up to 90 watts. That's pretty amazing. And we have a really long wire, long cable here. You can see how far we can go. Absolutely perfect for additional USB power, especially in the back, but of course also for the front. So I'm going to show you the detailed specs and how we can use that to the maximum power. And so here we have the package. So let's open, see what we get. So here we have it. That's the device. Comes also with some instructions manual, but I mean this thing is self-explaining, very easy to use. Maybe the specs here that you can see what kind of combination for the power you can use, but I would say it's solid build. Comes even with this clip here, so you could clip it to the back seat. Also really nice, stylish matte black finish. Also this one here looks good. So let's use the 12 volt car port. We get already the light, also indicator LED light. And so we really have 3 times USB-C with PD up to 30 watts per port. And we have 3 times USB-A with quick charge, nicely distributed. So we have both options here, and we have 2 times both options in the back. Okay, so I'm having a huge installation here. So many cables, I've never had so many, but I think I have everything ready now. So here's the power coming from, here's the car port, and we have the main device here where we have attached a cable on the PD, goes into this PD trigger. We have set it to 12 volts. Of course, there's a little bit of loss here, but we still have 10 volts, so it's pretty good. It's ready, I would say. So the idea is to have everywhere 12 volts at 2.5 amps, which is pretty much the maximum. So what we have here, you can see we are at 27 watts. So let's do similar thing here. And at the same time, we are activating this one here. Let's increase also to 12 volts. And now let's start this. We are at 21 watts here, 25. We are going close to 30. Yeah, that was a little bit too much. But you can see there's quite some safety built in. When we go too high, it's stopping. But you have to consider there's everywhere a little bit of loss here. But we are everywhere now close here, 26 watts, 27 watts. And we still have this one here, and so we are setting this one also to 30 watts, and we are starting this one here. It was a little bit too high, so let's go also with around 25 watts. So that's what we have here. You can see 25 or like 26 watts. We have 25 watts here, and we have also 25 watts. And of course there's decent loss in all these cables, so we can definitely assume that we are pulling 3 times 30 watts here on this device everywhere. Here in total 90 watts, definitely confirmation. And also the good thing is when we increase that, when we go too high, you can see it was too high, then it stops immediately, so no damage happens. It stops when we are pulling too much. Also same thing here, especially you can see that when we do a ramp up test, goes up 25, 30 watts. So the maximum we had was 10.6 volts with 2.8 amps. So that was really at the 30 watts limit, and this one here is also very close. We could also increase. You can see everywhere when we go too high, it's reducing, it's stopping to protect this device. So we stopped this as well. So we have stopped now everything. So definitely confirmation that all the PD triggers have been working and delivered 30 watts at all the ports, 90 watts maximum total. So super powerful device, most versatile USB power supply I've ever seen in a carport, and so I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.